Hello, welcome to Cooking with Pina. Today I'm going to make a pasta dish, which is a tortellini dish. It has few ingredients and it is very quick to make. I normally use this dish for lunch or as a primo piatto before the dinner. Here are the ingredients. 12 ounces of tortellini or 340 grams. 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. A half a cup of chopped walnuts. 2 teaspoons of salt for the boiling water. 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. A half a cup of Parmigiano Reggiano. First thing you do, you put the 2 teaspoons of salt in the water. Just give a quick stir. And add the tortellini. This will take about 10 minutes, maybe a little bit less because I would like them to be al dente. Now the tortellini are done, they're nicely al dente. I'm going to add about a half a cup of boiling water. And the next ingredients is the butter. And this you mix well into the pasta. And the next is going to be the nutmeg. 1 teaspoon of it. Smells so very delicious. And the chopped walnuts. And as you add each ingredient, just keep gently mixing it. And about a half a cup of Parmigiano. This is one of my favorite ingredients and I like to put a lot extra. And you may add a little pepper if you like. And this to your own taste. And for garnishing, put a little bit of Italian parsley. Now all the ingredients I added, and actually I'm going to put a little bit more of Parmigiano. Oh, it's so good. And I'm going to taste. It's just heavenly. The nutmeg, the Parmigiano Reggiano, it just tastes fantastic. And it tastes even better with a glass of white wine. If you like this recipe, please let me know. And don't forget to subscribe with Cooking with Pina. Arrivederci alla prossima volta. Ciao!